Hey guys, this is Cody Allen with Selectel Wireless, and I'm going to show you how to use the Protection Pro Mini by Matico to print off a screen protector for this A51. Okay, first thing we're going to want to do is power it on. There's a little button located on the left side. Just press that. You'll hear it beep. Okay, once it's fully powered on, you'll be presented with this screen. And the first thing we're going to want to do is there's a little search bar right here, right there. Click on that. Like I said, this machine will do pretty much everything from like switches, tablets to cell phones, Samsung, iPhone, all of the above. But right now, today, we're going to be doing an A51. So I'm going to type in A51 and hit the search bar. Okay, you might have to scroll through a little bit, but here's the one we want right here. Okay, so once we have this screen, we're going to get our film, and today I'm going to be using a matte film, and you'll see how it turns out once it's done. Okay, now I have my matte film. You'll see two arrows pointing, okay, and you're going to want to line it up with this metal piece right here with the arrows facing towards the inside of the machine. So we're going to do that and just gently push it in a little bit, and then it'll grab a hold of it. And then it's going to scan that QR code right there. Okay, and it has a couple options for us: body, wrap, and then display. Today we're going to be printing the display. So we hit display, and then we hold cut, and it'll start cutting. You'll hear 3 beeps, and it's done. Once you hear those 3 beeps, you can what I like to do is just kind of fold it, and you'll see all the layers. There's 3 layers to this film here, and we want to grab all layers and just peel it off of this this part. However, you're going to want to kind of do it at the middle, because yeah, it's going to try to lay down that middle part. So we're going to fold it right here, and peel that off. Okay, now we have our film and our phone. So we're going to want to try to line it up as good as we can. And you can lift this up and move it around. The bottom layer isn't going to be the one staying on near, nor is the top one. It's going to be that middle layer. So now that we have it dropped on there, pretty well lined up, we're going to take our squeegee and we can pull. We only want to pull. You don't want to push, because you'll start like folding the screen protector and it'll ruin it. So we just pull like that, then take it to the halfway mark. Pull it this way. Okay. You can try to get those bubbles out, but it's not important to get these bubbles out yet. And I'll show you why later on in the video. Okay. Now, we're going to take our little screen rubber, our squeegee, whatever you want to call it. There's a line on the film right down the middle here. Okay, and what we're going to want to do is place our little squeegee right there, pull up every layer of film. Every layer. Okay, we got all 3 layers. We're going to hold it right there in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to push it forward. and then slide it on really fast, just like that. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom side. Let's try to get that on better. Take up all 3 sides, pull it up, and then push it forward and do it really fast, just like that. Okay, now you can try to work out all the bubbles. Make sure you get it around them corners. And then we're going to want to pull off this top layer, just like so. Just like that, you're done. You'll have that line there for a little bit. Usually after about 24 hours, that line goes away completely. And then it just looks like, you know, the rest of the phone like this. So that's how you use your Protection Pro screen protector. And this is Cody Allen. Thank you for watching.